Hi everyone. In this tutorial in SRS, we will going to discuss the usage of the if function and switch function and what the difference between these two functions. The if function and switch function, it's useful when we are comparing between like conditions or when we are using conditions. In regard, the switches function is useful when there are three or more conditions to test it, because it's simpler to read than the nested if statement. It's very similar to the case statements in T-SQL. And while the if statements, we are only use it when we have only two conditions. But the switch, it's flexible to have more than one condition, more than two conditions, sorry. In this example, I have this table that's consists of the student names, and this is the flight departure city. This is the city and the state names. I'm going to compare between the date of the departure, which is I will going to compare if my departure it's after, let's say, is January 5th, that's going this to be red, and anything that's less than the January 5th, this will be blue. I'm going to use at the beginning of my tutorial the if statement. So you need to go to your row, right click, go to text box properties, and go to fill. And this is what you need to go to fill your color. Go to expression. Here, when you need to go to common functions, and this is the if statement. Double click on it, and I'm going to use the date only. I'm going to follow only because all they are in January. So I'll go to day and then go to the fields. This is my fields. Okay. So when my date it's let's say it's more than 5, this will be a red. Else, that's it. Like the comma, it's um, represent for me as else. Else a blue. That mean if it's not more than 5, that mean of course it's less than or equal 5. So this is a blue. Press OK. Press OK. Save it. Let's go to my report. See guys, I have anything equal or less than 5, it's blue, and anything that's more than January 5th, it will be red. What about if I want to have more than two conditions, not like between more and less? I need to add more. Let's go back, fill, expression. Let me just copy this. So let's do the same. Go to common functions, program flow, go to switch. First, the first condition I will say when my days is less than or equal to 3, then this is blue, comma. And when my days less than or equal 5, this will be, we can go to see the colors like yellow, comma. When it's more than 5, this will be red. Okay, so I added only three conditions. I can add more if I want to, of course. Press OK, press OK, save it, and let's see. See, I have only these three that they are less than or equal to 3, and the one that's less than or equal to 5, which is I have only 4 and 5, I have only 2, and the one that's more than 5, I have here the 5 days that they are more than January 5th. So this is how I use the if statement and switch statement. Those functions, they are very useful in SRS, as I mentioned, uh, to color your matrices, tables. I hope you guys enjoyed watching my video, and see you for next videos. Thank you.